Welcome back to my channel. Let's use the factorization method to solve this given quadratic equation. So we have 6x squared minus 13x plus 5 equals 0. Now take note, whenever the coefficient of x squared is more than 1, and for you to use the factorization method, you must first of all use this coefficient of x squared to multiply the last term. Are you getting it? So before you can use the factorization method in a situation where the coefficient of x squared is more than 1, are you getting it? Here we have 6, right? So the first thing you need to do is to use this number to multiply this last number. Are you getting it? So it will now be 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30. Are you getting it? Equal to 30. Now the next thing, let's think of two numbers in such a way when those two numbers are multiplied, the answer will be 30, and at the same time, if you add up those two numbers, the answer will be minus 13. Are you getting it? I repeat, we think of two numbers in such a way when those two numbers are being multiplied. If you times those two numbers together, the answer will be 30, and at the same time, if you add up the same two numbers, the answer will be minus 13. So the question is, what are those two numbers? Now if you think very well, the two numbers are minus 10 and minus 3, and if you add up these two numbers, look at it, minus 10 plus minus 3. Are you getting it? If you open the bracket, it will be minus 10. Minus times plus is what? Is minus. So it will now be minus what? 13. Are you getting it? So these are the two numbers. So let's impute them here. So here, so in place of minus 13x, we put these two numbers. Are you getting it? So it will now be 6x squared. Okay, let's put minus 3 here, minus 3x. Okay, then here is, we now put the next number, minus 10x plus the last number is what? 5 equals 0. You are not adding this 30 again. Are you getting it? This 30 is the result of the multiplication of this first term and this last one. Are you getting it? So take note. Now here we can easily factor out. Look at 6 and 3, 10 and 5. You notice that we can easily factor out 3x, right? Because yeah, we can easily factor out 3x. So 3x divided by 6x, 6 divided by 3 is what? Is 2, right? Is 2. Then x squared divided by x will give us remaining 1x, right? Then minus 3 divided by 3 is what? Is 1. X divided by x is what? Is 1. So what will remain here is what? 1. Because if you open this bracket, 3x times this will still give us 6x squared. Then 3x times this will still give us 3x. I get it. So yeah, we can easily factor out 5. Yes, we can easily factor out 5 minus 5, sorry, minus 5, then it will be 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now if you open this bracket, the reason why I'm changing plus to minus is because if you open this bracket, minus times minus will still give us plus again. Are you getting it? So if you put plus here, if you open the bracket, minus times plus will give us minus sign, so you will get wrong answer. Are you getting it? So take note. So 5 times 2x will give us 10x. 5 times 1 will still give us 5. So we have 3x and minus 5 outside, right? So let's put them in bracket. 3x minus 5. So you see that these two terms are what? The same. 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So meaning you take only one. Okay. So 2x minus 1, everything equal to 0. So meaning this one is equal to 0 or this one is equal to 0. You know, quadratic equations always come with two answers. So it will now be 3x minus 5 equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So let's solve 3x equals to, if we move this one here, it will now be what? 5. Then here we have 2x equal to what? 1. If you move it here, plus 1. So therefore, dividing both sides by 3, the value of x here to now be what? 5 all over 3. Are you getting it? Look at it. X equal to 5 all over 3. While the second one, x equal to 1 all over 2. This is how to use the factorization method to solve quadratic equations. Okay, thanks for watching. If you are watching on Facebook, follow for more videos, drop your comment and share this video. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.